Thank you. This is a man's world. Well, this is a man's world. But it would be nothing, nothing, nothing. Without a woman or a girl. Oh! This is a man's world. Mm-hmm. This is a man's world. Mm-hmm. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing. Ow! Not a woman or a girl. Man thinks about a little bit of baby girls and a baby boys. Man make them happy because man make them toys. But after man make everything, everything he can. Man makes money, the root of all evil, to buy from other man. This is a man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing. That woman or a girl. The JBs. Ladies and gentlemen, right here, we'd like to recognize some of the people in your life and in our life that gave the whole life to the world of music and to humanity. And so that we might enjoy the fruits from the universal language, which is music, I'd like to recognize this time one of my closest friends, the undisputed king of rock and roll, if you will. Let's give a big round of applause to the brother, one and only brother, Mr. Elvis Presley. Brother Elvis. Brother Elvis. Elvis is here. Another king in his own right, ladies and gentlemen, if you will, let's recognize the one and only Brother Mr. The Big O, Otis Redding. Otis Redding. That's it, Otis Redding. Otis Redding. If you will, let's recognize the one and only brother, Mr. Sam Cooke. Sam Cooke. One of the most dynamic people I've ever witnessed and had the pleasure of working with. One of the hardest working young ladies in the show business. If you will, let's recognize Sister Miss Janis Joplin. Sister Janis Joplin. Sister Janis. Right now, we'd like to recognize another Superman in the business that we're talking about, show business. But before we go any further, Brother Ron. Ronnie?
There's one more person to recognize here, and we know we have a mixed audience, English and French and everything. How many people remember Mr. John Lennon? For the French, rappelez-vous, John Lennon. Right now, 30 seconds, please, of silence. And for the French, 30 secondes de silence for Monsieur John Lennon.
Thank you very much. The Beatles, John, Paul, Ringo, and George. Let's give it to them. Let's give it to them. Let's give it for the Beatles, John Lennon. Another super brother, if you will, ladies and gentlemen. Let's recognize, if you want it only, the king of guitar. If you give a big round of applause, Brother Mr. Jimi Hendrix. Jimi Hendrix. Right now we want to ask young Ron Last, if you will, to come out and give us a little illustration. Let's commemorate the beautiful sounds of Brother Jimi Hendrix. Ron? after. Let's hear it from again. Right after. Man made the cars to take us over the road. Man made the train JB